Today, the whole world has its eyes fixed on the Kaaba in Mecca. The unfolding events captivate the mind and take the breath away. In a night steeped in high drama, the heavens themselves seemed to conspire over Mecca. A bolt of lightning of near-biblical proportions struck the iconic Fairmont Mecca Clock Royal Tower Hotel, setting the sky ablaze as pilgrims continued their age-old circumambulation of the Kaaba. The ensuing tempest unleashed gale-force winds, surging past 80 kilometers per hour, evoking haunting memories of the fateful 2015 storm that led to the calamitous crane collapse at the Grand Mosque. Within a span of 24 hours, the heavens poured forth a torrential 45 millimeters of rain, engendering flash floods that roiled the sacred landscape. Footage captured moments of awe and fear as pilgrims and barricades were swept away like chaff in the wind. Just beyond the hallowed confines of the Grand Mosque, the elemental forces converged in a symphony of nature's raw power, leaving an indelible imprint on the collective consciousness of those who witnessed it. Dive into a world of extreme weather and natural disasters. Subscribe now.